Hey everybody, I am on my first official camping trip with the Scamp, and it's not like, real all set up camera ready, but I just decided I'm going to take a picture or a video before everybody's gone. So I'll walk you around in a minute. You've seen most of these before. We are having a great time. It's getting chilly. We are at Roan Mountain State Park in Roan Mountain, Tennessee, and I'm getting ready to get a jacket on because it's getting chilly. So I'm going to show you inside. Let's see. Like I said, it's pretty straightened up. I do not have it on wide angle lens, so I can't show you everything at once. But this is pretty much what you saw in the last video. And then around here, this is how I have it set up. And the good news is we got the shower drain working today. So now everything works except for the outside lights. They are temperamental. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. And even though I have a furnace, I like these heaters because they're silent and they keep a steady temperature. And I don't like how close that furnace is to the cloth. So during the night I do move this away and turn that on. I'll see you in a bit. I'll show you some campers. I did mention that we got the shower drain pump fixed, and I should tell you that what was wrong with it was a bad switch. So I just had to go to the hardware store and get a $10 little switch for it, and it's fixed. So I'll show you some campers here. I'm not sure if I've done videos of all these or not, and if not, maybe tomorrow I can get some videos for you. So this area was hit very hard by Hurricane Helene, and you can see damage down here. All that brown used to be grass. A lot of trees got torn down. And the bridge that goes, there's 2 levels of camping there on the other side of those woods, 2 loops, and the bridge for those is completely ruined. And I'll try to get a picture of that while I'm here and insert it. But that is some damage here, and it is April 26th, and they don't expect to have that bridge fixed until 2028. So they're waiting on funding and things like that. So I'll just walk you through here. This one I know I have not filmed because I just saw the inside today for the first time. So I'll have to get a video of that for you. You see that tree stump there wedged between the 2 trees? Well, I guess you can't tell from that view, but there you can see it's wedged in there. Beautiful place here. That's the bathhouse over there. And my site is site 49, in case you were wondering, if you're looking for a campsite. This one is 45. And that one is 44. It backs right up to the water, which you have to have a small camper to get on that one. As you can see, that's only a short length there. That's my friends. So, I don't know what to talk about as we go, but maybe I'll just play some music from now on. This site on the right, where you see the people, that's our gathering site. That's where we have our meals and sit by the fire and just hang out. Wave hi, Lisa. So, and in this clam tent here, that's called a clam screen room, there's a propane fire pit. And we all put our chairs in a circle in there and sit in there when it's really cold out. So over here, this is site 40. And this is also by the water. I said I was going to play music, and I'm not. But as long as I have something to talk about, I'll just keep talking. I'll show you the creek down here. I think it's a creek, not a river. But you can hear all the little waterfalls on this campsite. See the trees down. There were a lot of mudslides. Just a lot of damage. And look over here. I haven't even seen this. Look at that. It's all from the Hurricane Helene, which was a year and a half ago. A lot of damage. It's my friend's Airstream and milk truck, and it has its own Facebook page. I think it's Barn Find Milk Truck or Milk Truck Barn Find, if you want to look that up. And he has altered it so that it will tow his camper. What year is this, Doug?
You should know. You've done multiple trips. 1959.
You usually have a sign out front.
Yeah, I do.
1959.
Buried in the closet.
Okay.
59 milk truck.
59 milk truck. So look up Milk Truck Barn Find or Barn, I think that's what it's called, on Facebook. We just got done eating dinner. People getting dessert and cleaning up. Let me see. There's another vintage there. Get my steps in. That is that little building right there. See that in the middle? That's a handicap bathroom. So this one here belongs to a friend of mine. There is a video. There's a video tour of most of these. And then over there, oops, step down. I'm not going to walk all the way over. That is my friend Shasta that he pulls with an LTD. So that is our group for this trip. And you see my Scamp over there. Whoops. Right. Hit my finger going. There. It's the Scamp. Alright, so we come here every April. And I will see you on the next video. Get out, get outside, fresh air, and have fun. Happy camping.
What I like is after all this time, I've seen some of these camps. Well, it would be more if it hadn't been for Nashville getting us right afterwards, and then a lot of money that really